But mice don't throw bricks, do they?
And they don't talk, mate, do they?
It sounded like bricks being thrown.
It sounded like something like that, yeah. And it was loud, whatever it was loud, because he heard it plain as day down here.
It was loud, man. But it happened, then it stopped. Then it happened again. If you caused that noise earlier, could you do it again? Please? I'm that on edge. It's not like me to say this. I'm that on edge. I don't even want to go in night vision.
Definitely go in night vision in a minute.
Just so I can be aware of my surroundings, man.
Yeah, because you could turn and somebody would be standing there. And this is the place where that could happen.
Yeah.
Because there's something here, mate. There's definitely something here.
I mean, for me to come here, this is my second visit now, and something happened the way that it has. I mean, I'm mind blown at the moment. My head is completely gone. I mean, people might watch this video and say, oh, look at these pair overreacting.
Come here then, guys.